Science lab, come and play with me. Mix and learn and wonder what amazing things we'll see. Science lab, clap your hands today. Learning something new and fun in every single way. Welcome to the lab. Good morning, friends, come gather near. The science lab is waiting here. Put on goggles nice and bright. We're ready for discoveries today. Beakers, bubbles, colors too. Lots of fun experiments to do. Everybody sing along. Science lab, come and play with me. Mix and learn and wonder what amazing things we'll see. Red and yellow, what do we get? Orange is the answer yet. Blue and yellow mix and slow. Green begins to shine and glow. Red and blue, let's take a look. Purple appears just like a book. Science lab, colors everywhere. Mixing, learning, laughing, fun beyond compare. Can you stir, 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 stir? Can you pour, 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 pour? Can you count 1, 2, 3? Come do science here with me. Tiny bubbles floating high, drifting gently through the sky. Small bubbles, big bubbles too. Dancing in the sunlight blue. Pop goes 1 and pop goes 2. Look at all the things they do. Science lab, dumbbells floating free. Dancing, twirling, sparking bright for everyone to see. Here's a magnet, shiny and bright. Let's see what it can pull tonight. Paper clips come sliding near. Everyone gives a happy cheer. Magnets pull, magnets attract. Science helps explain that fact. Science lab, learning every day. Science makes the world exciting in a special way. 1 test tube standing tall. 2 test tubes by the wall. 3 test tubes in a row. 4 test tubes start to glow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count them all again. Science lab, counting as we sing. Numbers, learning, experiments and everything. A little boat goes in the tub. Does it float above the water? A small rock drops right down below. It sinks slowly, don't you know? Floating 6, 7 high, let's count them all again. Science lab, testing what we see. Numbers, learning, makes Karen than 10 of the green. A little boat goes in the tub. Does it float above the water? Small rock drops right down below. It sinks slowly, don't you know? Float and sink and float. Let's test every little boat. Science lab, testing what we see. Science helps us understand the world around you and me. Clouds are floating way up high, moving gently through the sky. Rain comes down, drip, drip, drop. Then the sunshine makes it stop. Rainbow colors shining bright. What a beautiful sight! Science lab, weather fun today. Learning how the world around us works in every way. Jump like a bouncing molecule. Spin like a planet round and round. Brave for the ocean water. Clap when you hear a science sound. Look above into the night. Stars are twinkling bright. Planets travel round the sun. Space exploration's lots of fun. Rocket ships go zooming high.